First, we will turn the tire inwards. Notice right there, there's that clip that we're supposed to take out. And I'll be using a clip remover tool like this to take that clip outwards. There's that clip right there. Once that clip is taken out, now the place where we took out that clip, right a little ahead on the top, there is one more screw that's also supposed to be taken out. And that screw is actually right there. Here, I'm using a small size Phillips screwdriver to take that screw outwards. There we got the screw taken out. This was that point right there where we took out that screw. Now we'll try to see if we could pull out the fender liner. Now this much space is fine. We do not need to pull out the complete fender liner. And this is how the headlight looks like from behind. So what I'll do is I'll pinch in my arm just like that. We'll grab the plug and then turn it counterclockwise. And then pull the plug outwards. With a little wiggle, notice there's that plug taken out. There it is. That is how we pull out the plug along with the bulb. The way we take out the bulb from the plug, notice behind the plug there is that tab right there. So what we have to do is lift that tab upwards just like that and then pull the bulb outwards. There it is. That is how we take out the bulb from the plug. Now we never touch the glass portion with bare hands because our hands have some sort of grease, and if we end up touching the glass portion, that grease will stay on the glass, and down the road while the bulb is heated up, it's going to burn the bulb, and we are trying to avoid doing that here. Now in my case, the bulb is good, so I'll be installing it back, but in your case, if you have a new bulb and you want to install it back, all you have to do is just make sure that this bulb has a tab right here. This tab of the bulb right there should match the tab of the plug right there, like this tab right here. So we'll go ahead and make sure those two positions are in place, and then we'll go ahead punch in the bulb inside the plug. We'll press both of them down together until we hear a clicking sound. There it is. Once the bulb is inside the plug, now we'll go ahead and punch it back where we took it out from. We'll go ahead and punch in the plug, keeping in mind we still have to hold on to the fender liner. We make sure the plug is completely in first. Once the plug is completely in, only then we will turn it clockwise to install it firm and strong. There it is, and notice it's also not coming out anymore. And that is how we replace the headlight bulb. Now we'll go ahead and punch in the fender liner back. Just like that. I'll go ahead and punch in this clip first. That clip is in. This is where we took out that clip, and here's that spot where we are supposed to put that screw. In my case, the fender liner did not pull out from that spot, but in your case, it might pull out, so you just have to put it back where the point of the screw is. With the screw in place, that wraps up the replacement process for headlight bulb. If this video helps you in any way, please consider liking this video and subscribing to our channel. Here are the list of tools used for this takeout.